Hey guys, this is Blaine, the small engine guy. We're dealing with a 2-cycle Tecumseh Craftsman snowblower. Came in for a no star, and I've removed the carburetor to clean it, and this is what it looks like. This is what happens when you leave fuel in a machine for an extended period of time, especially a 2-cycle engine that has oil mix. This carburetor is so gunked up, no wonder it hasn't started. Along with the fuel line that was all hard and cracked, that was leaking all over the place. So this is what I'm working with. I'm going to put it in the ultrasonic cleaner, and it should come out looking brand new. I'm also going to replace the brass float with a plastic float in the rebuild kit that I have here, and clean the whole carburetor. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe for more content. Thanks.